Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform horizontal calibration on DJI Osmo Action 4. To do this, we'll need to swipe our finger down from top of the screen, click on the gear icon, and here scroll down till you see horizontal calibration. Click on it. Now follow the instructions, so place the camera on flat surface and start calibration. Now we just need to click on confirm. Wait a few moments till it's finished. And now that the calibration is complete, we can click on confirm. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.